See, he's using Yasak. For character ID using Yasak. Okay, I will put in and I will use Yasak put here, Yasak. So just click in Yasak. See, I just left. There you go, she left. Even Yasak have no much for my client booter, okay? Even Yasak security, they said Yasak is unbootable, and yet he left the chat room. See? It goes. Wait, I'll let you see. There goes, he left. XG73 using Yasak. He left. Okay? Right? Let's test this one. Let's see if he goes back. No. He does not go back to the room. He already left. Okay? But as you can see, his ID is still in the room list, but as you can see, he left. Now let's test this one again. Let's test it with this one, set. Okay. Kind of right. Y Supra. He's using Y Supra. Let's test this again. I do have so many IDs. I do have already put so many IDs here. So maybe my client booter will be at error. But let's test this one, okay? This is the part 3, okay? He's using Y Supra, as you can see, right? I go to Y Supra. Let's test this one again. See, I'm getting error. I'm already getting error. Let's see. So this is Surnama signing up in YouTube, and I do hope you do like my tutorial, okay? And if you do like my tutorial, do subscribe in my YouTube video, okay? Okay, thanks guys. And guys.